So for the recipe, you could put bok choy, which is this, or spinach, either or, but we have both. So we're gonna incorporate both of them in our cooking. Chicken with spinach and Asian vegetables. So this is how you cut it in either, but I cut it usually like that. There's no plate. Mason is helping me there with the carrots cutting in there. So now I have this else to cut now. So cut it about an inch and a half size, but for the leaves. But when it comes to the stalks, it's 1 inch. Otherwise, too much to eat. So like that, okay? 1 inch, like that. So here, 1 inch, it's like that, okay? So you wash your vegetables before cutting. Sometimes you have to cut it and then wash it after you cut, because some of the dirt and sand are usually down below the stuff. Okay? Okay. So here's the 1.5. Then you go down here, go 1 inch. Okay? On the leaves. So good. Like that. Okay? One more of our last stock of bok choy. We call this pechay in the Philippines. Pechay, bok choy. Okay. Okay. So we may not be able to fit all of this at once, but we will eventually be able to cook this with the broth that we're going to be making ourselves with the chicken that we have. Okay, so now we're gonna after all our vegetables have been cut, now we will have time to cut our chicken in halves. There you go. Yeah, and get those ready. Okay. So he's saving all my peel for our garden, and then now I got all this done here, so we're gonna line them up. We will line them up as we need them, just like that. So we have our pechay, our spinach there, like that, with the okay, it's really not to just stack in. Okay. And then so we're gonna wash this green beans. We haven't washed our green beans. Cut it and wash it. And then cut all of them and wash them. So basically, we're gonna cook this and brown it with